Hi everyone, so welcome to my channel. So today's video will be about how to fill out online the interest form to invite your parents or to sponsor your parents and grandparents here in Canada. So I want to show how to fill it out. So the information that I provided is not actual person, so it just for sample, but the one that I submitted is the actual application to sponsor my parents in the Philippines. So for privacy, so I hope guys you will learn something in here, and if you have any questions or comment, just comment down below. Okay, so let's dive in. Okay, so to start, Google search interest to sponsor Form Canada 2020. So as you can see here, you are on the right website if you are in www.canada.ca. So click on submit the interest form, and now we are here on the website. So let's scroll down below, and if you can see here, it is from October 13, 2020 to November 3, 2020. Okay, so just read this one. And also before you submit your interest sponsor form, read this one, like if you're eligible, and then click on go to interest to sponsor form. Okay, so now we are here. So are you a Canadian citizen? So click on yes if you're a permanent resident, and also you need to put your family name or your last name. So as you can see here, you need to provide also your given name and also your middle name. So we'll put all this information, fill up. So this one, by checking this, I confirm that I don't have a given name. So we have a given name, so we don't need to click on that. And then we need to click on our year of birth. So it's just easy to fill out all this information. What is important is you need to prepare also documents that you need to include in your application. So put on your country of birth. So this is for the sponsor. So you can select the country where you are born. So click on Philippines. So now this is for your primary residential address. So you need to be here in Canada for you to able to sponsor, submit the interest form to sponsor your parents and grandparents. So just put the street number, street name, and whatever the information that they needed to be included in this application interest form. So by the way, this is like a draw lot. So unlike last year that is first come first serve. So last year I was not able to be lucky to be selected to sponsor my parents. So now I will try my luck. Okay, so just fill out all the information here, and it's important to put your valid address, like the one that you have in your, like if you have a driver's license, you need to put the address here. Or if you don't have, if you have other bills that have your, like a proof that that is your correct address. Also, it's important to put on your email, because your email, they will send the confirmation, and I think the number of your application. So they will send it here. So it's important that you put your valid email address. So here you need to upload a copy of your status in Canada. For example, your passport or your permanent resident card or whatever document to prove that you are here in Canada. But this, I think this is for those who are already permanent resident and Canadian, already a Canadian citizen here. So you need to put also the number of the document that you will submit. Okay, so here we need to upload files. So the one that I will be using is my passport. So I need to attach the file here. So IDs and then open. All right, and then estimated income needed for your family size. So I'm sure you already checked that one and that you are eligible to sponsor your parents and grandparents. Also, you need to fill out your parents' information or grandparents. So you need to put their family name, given name, and the middle name. So also the year of birth, you need to include the year of birth here. But if you don't know, you can check back by checking the box. I confirm that the person doesn't have it. If you don't know, so if you are done with all the information that you already checked, you need to put your name here. So it's a declaration of potential sponsor. I declare that I'm submitting only one interest form. So that's important. Okay. So now that we are ready to sign and submit, I just want you to know that the one that I submitted here, okay, so the one that I submitted here is the actual application for my parents, the interest form for my parents. So I didn't submit the sample. So anyway, so this you will receive confirmation you have successfully submitted your interest form. So you will have your confirmation number. They also email this one. You can also take a picture for this one as your copy.